Alright. Adeline Massive Shaving, Phase 1.
There it goes, 8 months.
Move that.
Wait, oh, ready? 8 months just going off like that.
Are you ready to be naked, Emmy?
Oh, brushing her every day. There it goes. Can't go back now.
We could just do half of her. Doing good, girl, Emmy.
She is a good girl. Emmy, is that different, baby? Good girl. It'll feel good for you. Oh, poor thing. Here we go. That's just the beginning.
Cut.
Yeah.